Wherever you go, I'm always with you.
What is good, LukeGabriel? You already know how to do. This is LukeGabriel here, aka JRoBeats, back with another video. I don't know why it looks like this. I guess it just doesn't know if I'm on a iPad or whatnot, but we're gonna keep on going. It looked really nice in the other video, but we're just keep on going. Anyways, let's go ahead and begin this tutorial. So, I'm gonna teach you guys how to lay up. This is a very simple tutorial. It's not hard. As long as you know where to aim and you know when to jump, it's very simple. But let's go ahead and begin. So the first thing that you want to do is in order to actually like do a regular layup, I use 40, and honestly I just go up to the hoop and just tap right. You see, as you can see right here, you can aim a little higher too if you want to. Yeah, so aim at the shot clock, and you should always make your layups. And it's easy points, because some people always like to think that, oh, you're always shooting you're always shooting a three-pointer, you know, drive and stuff. And so when you drive and you know how to handle the basketball, you just go over here, boop, and then put it in. Like, as you can see, I missed there because I aimed a little too. So the best way to do it is to just come over here, use 40, and then you want to aim a little. You want to look up a bit, just like this, and then you want to aim around the board. So anywhere around the board is good. Like, I'm just clicking random spots on the board, and I'm still making it in. Don't go a little too far, like a little too high, or like super high, or like super high, or like down low, like to the I can't even press it. But I'm in like the best position right now. Anyways, if I go a little down, you just want to aim it always at the right corner of this little box. So as you can see, there's a little box right here, depending on where you're positioned too. So I'm like right here at this this block right here. So if I just want to aim a little higher, boom, easy dub. If you want to jump while you're doing it, I would use 30 or 35. I'm gonna put it on 30, and all you want to do is just jump, and then, as you can see, there you go. I got it in just like that, and it should usually go in all the time. Not that one didn't go in, but if you want, you could also use 25. 25 is also like a really good, if you're really close to the basket, it's a really easy way to I'm gonna jump, so like that. Also, you can also use 10, and this is also another like cheating way. All you have to do is just come over here. Okay, that's not gonna count, but just like that. I think I made that one. I don't know if I made that one. Let me check right here. Okay, that didn't work. Hold up. Alright. Boom. I want to go in. There we go. So all you want to do is you just want to aim all the way up, and then tap to the sky, basically. That's how you use 10. It's kind of ugly. Or if you want, just like a little high, but not too high. But right when you get to the basket, just aim up. And you should always make your shot just like this too. Just like that. Boom. Okay, that didn't go in. You gotta aim a little higher, just like that. There you go. That went in. But yeah, I like to use 40, 35, 30, 25, usually in that area. Anywhere above is kind of too much, but that's basically it. That's a quick tutorial for you guys. This is LukeGabriel right here, aka JRoBeats, signing out. Peace. Hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.